Welcome to your 10-minute morning yoga. We'll begin in hands and knees. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, tuck the chin. Bring your seat to your heels and your forehead to the floor. Inhale, heavy belly. Pull your heart forward, your shoulders back. Exhale, tuck the tailbone. Seat towards your heels, forehead towards the mat. Inhale, roll up, heavy belly. Exhale, round back, chin towards your chest, forehead to the floor. Moving here in your own rhythm, in your own flow, a few more times. As you're ready in your own time, come up to tabletop, curl the toes under, press the hips up and back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Expand along the side body, engage your legs and release your heels down towards the earth. Spread your fingers wide. On each inhalation, expanding the belly, the side waist, and the heart. On your next inhalation, sweep the right leg up towards the sky. On your exhalation, knee towards your nose, shoulders over wrists. Inhale, straighten and extend the leg straight up. And exhale, bring your knee towards your right elbow. Inhale, press the leg up and back. Exhale, knee towards your left elbow. Last time, extend the leg straight up and back. And then release the knee forward, the foot between the hands. You can always help your foot forward, no problem. Inhale, bring your hands up to your thigh. You can stay here or sweep the arms out and up. Now check in, make sure your knee isn't going farther than your ankle as you bring your hands down to your heart. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, hands to heart, soften your ribs in. Come forward on the back toes, straighten your back leg more than it's ever been. Get down with the hips. And gracefully glide your hands back down to the mat. Find heel to arch alignment and windmill the arms up for Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Keep your shoulders over your hips as you extend your arms up. Exhale your hands to your heart. Inhale, bring your fingertips to touch. Exhale, pull the energy down to your heart and expand outward. Creating a micro pulse in the legs here. So on every inhalation, pull the energy up through the feet. Every exhalation, bend your knee as deep as you can. Straighten your front leg, lean back, sweep your right arm up and over your ear. And then exhale, bring your forearm to your thigh, stretch your left arm over the ear. And exhale, slowly relax the arm down. Inhale, long line from the outer edge of the foot through the fingertips, and exhale, releasing the arm down to your side. 2 more times. Bring your hands out at a diagonal, the corner of the mat, and pull your hips back. So traction the spine. Find even more length in the back body. Bring your hands to frame your foot, come up on your back toes, and press back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. Bend your knees, sit back on your heels, bring your hands over towards the right, pull your left hip back. Just love opening the side body, especially first thing in the morning. Come back into tabletop, curl the toes under, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Spread your fingers wide. Inhale, sweep the left leg straight up. Exhale, knee towards your nose, shoulders over wrists. Inhale, extend the leg up and back. Exhale, knee towards your left elbow. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, knee towards your right elbow. Inhale, stretch the leg straight up and back. And exhale, step your foot in between your hands. You can always help your foot, no problem. Come forward on the back toes. You can bring your hands up to your thigh or sweep your arms all the way out and up. Fingertips to touch, hands to the heart. On your inhale, lift up, pull energy up the legs. Exhale, get down deep with the hips, soften the rib cage in. Inhale, straighten your back leg even more. Come more forward on the toes. Exhale, get down deep with the hips. Gliding the hands all the way down to frame the foot. Find heel to arch alignment and windmill the arms up. Virabhadrasana 2. Shoulders above hips, extend the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart and widen the arms out. So you're pulling the energy up the legs and exhale, extending the energy out as you sit down deep. Finding your own rhythm, moving in the rhythm of your own breath here. Now straighten the leg, lean back. Find even more space in the side body. And bring the forearm to the thigh. Stretch the arm over the ear. Revolve your heart and gaze up. Exhale, release the arm. Inhale, long line, lift the hips. Exhale, bend deeper into the knee. Release the arm. 2 more times. Then bring your hands out at a diagonal, so towards the right corner of your mat, and pull your hips back. Feel a stretch along the spine. Ground your hands, step back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Bring your knees to your mat, seat to heels, and stretch your hands over towards the left. Pull your right hip back. Roll up to sitting on your heels. And glide all the way down onto your belly, one long line. Roll your shoulders back, lift the heart, elbows graze the side body, lower with length. Engage the thighs here, press the tops of the feet into the mat. Really engaging, lifting, relaxing back down. Stretch your left arm out, pulling the heel in towards your backside. Nice stretch for the thigh. Release the foot, roll onto your belly, and then onto your right side, pulling the other heel in towards your backside, opening the chest and the thigh. Release the foot, gliding all the way around onto your back. Take your time. Pull your knees in towards your chest and then straighten your legs straight up, rolling out your wrists and your ankles in one direction and then in the other. Taking this opportunity to remember you're perfect just as you are. setting an intention for your day, how you want to show up. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift the shoulder blades up away from the mat. Exhale, stretch the arms overhead. Inhale, lift up and engage. Exhale, release and relax. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Bend the knees. Hug the knees in. And then extend one leg and the other. 3 deep breaths here. Pull one knee in and then the other, roll up to seated, preparing for a beautiful day. Namaste.